Ruhonge rwa ugedi bururi-ini rukoretwo rukiyukiria kwa ihinda kuma hindi ya king'uki gia COVID-19 no riu ruhonge ruru rwahota gucoka haria rwari angikorwo maundu maria mendekithitio watho-ini wa kigina wa mwaka uyu ni mekuhitukio.
These proposals here are quite detrimental. You look at the tourism sector.
Nyongerera ya magoti hari ngari cia ukui wa agendi iria yendekithitio watho-ini uyu ya gucungiriria kwambatira kwa ngarama ya ukui wa agendi noguo gucungiriria bururi wa Kenya gutuika bururi wina ngarama ya iguru muno ya ugendi.
I don't know if you are aware that the specially designed motor vehicles for transportation of tourists are normally VAT exempt. To me, it's a very myopic view because then I think there also has to be protection of our local industries. So the issue of exemption zero rating is still an issue that needs to be looked at very critically.
Hindi ya gikaro na andiki a mohoro kambuni ya uthurimi wa mathabu ya PKF yugite ugaruruku uyu wa igoti wa ya kuhotomia na njira nene ugendi guku bururi-ini uria ukoragwo ri kihumo kinene kia mbeca cia kuma mabururi ma nanja iria nyitagirira utonga wa bururi na gikiro kia iguru.
Before a decision is made to amend the law to either exempt or zero rate, it's also important to look at basically if you're looking at a critical sector of the Kenyan economy.
Urito uyu ngiguika honge-ini itiganite cia ugendi ta mikawa, kambuni cia ndege, kambuni cia ugendi hamwe na ingi iria ciehokaga ugendi guku bururi wa Kenya ungeremwo kung'eng'ana na mabururi maria mangi maundu-ini ma ugendi. Hindi ya gikaro giki aigithia maugite matikoragwo na thina wothe wa kuriha magoti bururi-ini ndi ungumania wa gikiro kia iguru uria ukoragwo ugithie na mbere thirikari niguo ukoragwo ri muhinga munene hari o kuigithia guku bururi-ini.
In fact, most investors don't care about taxes. If they are going to make money, they are happy to pay the taxes for as long as they are left with some money. I think the problem with us is corruption. Runaway corruption in government.
Iguru rio PKF ni hinyiriirie ati utonga wa bururi ni uguthie na mbere na gukora mwaka turorete wa kigina makigweta honge itiganite ta ya urimi gukorwo igikora na gikiro kinene kumana na uigithia wa thirikari.
Why are we not implementing the national tax policy? Yet it has been put in place. We can't implement it because we are a country that does not observe the basic human rights enshrined in our constitution.
Gerivotera Kameme TV, Jutagomora, Wagunya.
Is going to be one of the key